Skiers and snowboarders will love this winter wonderland. Whistler is home to one of the largest ski resorts in North America, boasting over 20,000 acres of skiable terrain. But Whistler is also a great place to relax and enjoy a beautiful mountain village. Whistler Blackcomb is one of the world's premier ski resorts and is located in one of the most beautiful areas of British Columbia. It's divided into two mountains, Whistler and Blackcomb. Both mountains offer terrain for all levels of skiers and snowboarders, from beginners to advanced. If you're looking to unwind, don't miss the Scandinave Spa. This spa and wellness center offers a wide variety of treatments, from hot baths to therapeutic massages. You can also take a yoga class or meditate in the tranquil outdoor baths. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced skater, Whistler offers several options for ice skating. The village's Olympic Plaza is home to the largest outdoor rink and hosts special events throughout the winter season. You can also skate at the Meadow Park Sports Center, which also offers curling and hockey. Enjoy spectacular views of the surrounding mountains with a chairlift ride. You can take a scenic tour on your own or join an organized excursion. And if you're feeling brave enough, try night skiing and ride the chairlift after dark for an extra thrill. A gondola ride is one of the best ways to take in the breathtaking views of Whistler and the snow-capped peaks that surround it. The gondola also provides access to the Mid-Mountain restaurant, where you can enjoy a snack and a drink while you stroll through the mountains. Callaghan Valley is an area in British Columbia located just outside Whistler. It is a beautiful alpine valley, surrounded by snow-capped mountains and lush forests. The scenery is breathtaking, and it is a very popular area for adventurers looking to explore nature. Ski touring in Whistler is an incredible way to explore the wild environment of British Columbia. With over 1,100 miles of trails, Whistler ski touring is unparalleled. The area includes glaciers, steep slopes, long-groomed runs, and challenging off-piste terrain. Snowshoeing in Whistler is a unique and exhilarating experience. Snowshoeing can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels, making it a perfect activity for families looking for an outdoor adventure. Get up close to Whistler's wild surroundings on a dog sledding excursion. It's an amazing and fun way to explore unspoiled wilderness and experience its beautiful scenery firsthand. During the excursion, you'll get to meet and interact with the fantastic dogs pulling your sled. Located in the heart of Whistler, the museum offers a variety of interactive exhibits that tell stories about the area's history and culture. From short films to artifacts and photographs, visitors can explore all aspects of this region of British Columbia's past. The Tube Park is an exhilarating activity that's sure to get your heart pumping. The park features 10 fun lanes with a variety of curves, rollers, banks, and jumps. Whether it's your first time or you're already experienced, you'll find plenty of thrills as you glide down the slopes in a safe and controlled environment. A helicopter tour of Whistler is an unforgettable experience that will leave you feeling invigorated and inspired. You'll fly over glaciers, winding rivers, snow-capped peaks, and lush forests in complete comfort and safety. Located on Cougar Mountain, this zipline experience is one of the most exciting and exhilarating activities you can do in the area. It offers spectacular views of the mountains and valleys, while the rides vary in length, height, and speed. So no matter what kind of thrill you're looking for, there's something for everyone. Snowboarding in Whistler is an unparalleled experience. For beginners, getting started couldn't be easier, as there are plenty of lessons available to get you ready to hit the slopes. Experienced riders will find slopes ranging from the smoothest, perfect for practicing new tricks, to the most technical, full of bumps and drops. Looking for an exciting, adrenaline-pumping activity in Whistler besides skiing and snowboarding? With a wide variety of trails available, snowmobiling is the perfect way to explore Whistler's stunning surroundings while getting your heart pumping. Whistler Village is a British Columbia landmark destination, offering a wide variety of activities and attractions for visitors. This charming village is buzzing with activity, featuring bars and nightclubs, art galleries, and cultural centers. Shopping is also plentiful, with many boutiques selling jewelry, clothing, gifts, and souvenirs. If you're looking for a special dining experience, Whistler boasts numerous restaurants serving delicious cuisine. For those wanting to sample local dishes, there are many restaurants serving traditional Canadian fare, such as smoked salmon soup and Alberta beef steaks. Whistler offers a multitude of dining experiences with breathtaking views and impeccable service. It also boasts a wide variety of bars and pubs serving a selection of craft beers from local microbreweries. Everyone can find something to eat and drink in Whistler. Whistler is an incredible destination for adventurers, relaxed travelers, and families alike. From skiing down the slopes of Blackcomb Mountain to enjoying craft beers in a cozy pub, there's something for everyone in this iconic Canadian destination. So, if you're planning your next vacation, be sure to consider Whistler, because it's a must-see for anyone who wants to experience the magic of a true winter wonderland.